Hello there, my name is Martin Henley. This is the What the series, and in this episode number 6, we're answering the question, what is situational analysis? So, in answering the question, what is situational analysis, there are in fact 5 things we'll be sharing with you. We're going to look at this tricky word, situational. We're going to give you a definition of analysis, and then we're going to give you a definition of situational analysis. Before we think about why you need situational analysis and how you do situational analysis, let's get this started, Ricky. Okay, so it sounds like we're addressing something quite technical today, but I don't believe it is technical. I believe it just sounds technical because of this word situational. Now, I can tell you quite honestly, I've never used the word situational in any other sense than if I am talking about a situational analysis. So I was interested to learn what it actually means. So we went to Lexico as delivered by Google at the very top of their search results, and they tell us that situational relates to or is dependent on a set of circumstances or state of affairs. So I'm none the wiser, because doesn't everything relate to or depend on a set of circumstances or state of affairs? They go on to say that it's relating to the location and surroundings of the place. So everything that isn't imaginary is happening in a place. So is everything situational? In which case, why do we need this word? So I was still confused, so I went to yourdictionary.com, and what they tell us is that situational is a personal thing in regards to surroundings or circumstances. So what this means is it's the way that things change in different circumstances, in different situations. So if you think about water in a very cold environment, it becomes ice. If you think about water in a very hot environment, then it becomes steam. So this is what it means. In that sense, water is situational. So I don't believe it's necessary to use the word situational in a situational analysis. And in fact, Wikipedia, smallbusiness.com, thebalancesmallbusiness.com, none of these people bother to do that. What they talk about is a situation analysis, which I think makes much more sense and is something that we can all understand. Okay, so whilst we're breaking this down, we may as well grab a definition of analysis, and we got this one from the Cambridge Dictionary. And what they tell us is that analysis is the process of studying or examining something in an organized way to learn more about it. So the reason I'm taking the trouble to give you this definition is because there are 2 things here that are going to be important to your situational analysis, and that is that you study it in an organized way and you learn more about your situation. So let's put these things together. And we went back to thebalancesmallbusiness.com, who gave us an actual definition of situational analysis. And what they tell us is that it's an analysis of internal and external factors of your business. It identifies a business's capabilities, customers, potential customers, and business environment, and is an essential part of any business plan. So what's important here is that you're thinking internally, you're thinking externally, and you're thinking about capabilities. Where are you now, and where can you go from here? Which brings us then to point number 4, and point number 4 is the question, why do you need a situational analysis? And I can give you 3 good reasons. So the first reason is that you need a reality check. So don't rely on what you intuitively think is going on in your business, not what you are hoping is going on in your business. This is your opportunity to find out exactly how your business is and how your business is performing. Now, when I think about this, I think about Voltaire. And what he said is, he said you should judge a man by his questions rather than his answers. So this is your opportunity to really interrogate your business and understand what is really going on in your business. The second reason you need a situational analysis is because you need a starting point. Now, you know when you're at a dinner party and somebody's late because they're lost and they're on the phone and they're saying, where are you, what can you see? The reason they say that is because it's impossible to direct anyone anywhere unless you know exactly where they are. So what's important is that you benchmark right at the beginning where you are starting from. And that leads us into point number 3, which is about progress. So we're talking here about you investing your time, your energy, your money in making your business successful. And what you need to be able to do is enjoy and experience that progress. If you can't evidence that progress, then you are going to become very demotivated, very dispirited. You're going to give up on this whole process unless you can see that you are actually heading in the right direction. Okay, so if you're hearing me, I'm hoping you're getting excited. You're thinking, you know what, I am ready to have a proper study of my business to understand its capabilities so I can have a starting point and I can measure my progress. But I don't know how to do situational analysis. Well, situational analysis isn't actually terribly difficult. We are going to be going through these steps in the next few videos, so now might be a good time to subscribe if you're interested to get this done. The first thing I would say about this is what you're looking for when you interrogate your business is data. The great thing about data, and I'm talking about numbers, is that numbers are objective. So your hopes and dreams and best wishes won't get in the way of you establishing exactly how your business is doing. Then you just need to know about the components. So the first thing you need to understand is your market, and that will be the topic of video number 7, what is a market? Then you need to understand about your offering, what you're taking to market, your customers, your performance, and your competitors. And these are the steps that we will be going through in the next few videos. So if you are still with us, well done. You now know exactly what situational is. It doesn't really make a great deal of sense. You've had a definition of analysis. We've had a definition of situational analysis. You know why you need a situational analysis, and you're getting a sense already of how to do situational analysis. If you have found this interesting or useful, why not take a second to like, share, subscribe, maybe comment. Maybe there's a piece of marketing jargon that you would like to see defined in this fashion. If you found it really interesting and useful, why not head across to the Effective Marketing Company blog and subscribe there, and you will get this marketing jargon bullshit busting goodness in your inbox every single day. We're done, Ricky.